Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a business card using Canva for free. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. Go to Chrome, open it, then choose your profile. Then you have to search for canva.com. You can directly search on Google or you can put the URL canva.com. After opening the website, you have to log in with your account. If you have not created any account, just sign in with your Google account. It's very easy. It will take few seconds. Now after logging with your account, go to here, create a design, open it. Now for searching your business cover, just click on this arrow again. Then you will see, okay, again. Now you will see business card here, as you can see here. Click on it. Now another tab will open. Now I will tell you what you have to do. Canva gives you 1,000 of different type of templates for your business card ideas. For example, I want to create a business card for my pet shop, so I will write pet shop here. Pet shop, as you can see here, pet shop. Now it will give me 100 of templates here. What kind of template should I try? As you can see, there's many more suggestions here. For example, I want to make this as my pet card, so I will click on it. Okay, now to make changes here, you have to double click on it. Now put anything. Okay, you can change the text by double click on it. One pet shop, one sapphire. You can also change your font size by minimizing and maximizing it. You can change your text color by clicking on this one, and you can directly change your color. For example, I want to change this in black color, so I will click on it. It will get changed into black, as you can see here. I can also put design as well as images, different type of here, by clicking on uploads, and you can upload file directly from your computer or laptop. Then for saving your business card, you have to go to share and click on download, and your pet shop business card will be saved. And that's it guys, now you know how to create a business card for free on canva.com. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.